Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to wire money from the TD Bank app. First you want to go ahead and log in, into the app. And then I want you to come here and tap Move Money at the bottom and then select TD Global Transfer. And now right here what you need to do is just go ahead and select the country and enter the amount you want to send. And then you'll review the quotes. It'll show how much basically they'll receive. For example, you want to send a certain number of Canadian dollars, you'll see how much they'll actually receive in Indian rupees. Okay, and then you select a transfer method, basically the best one that suits you and your recipient. Either you do it directly to their account, to their card, or a cash pickup. Once you select that, you enter their recipient information. Okay, just go ahead and review and confirm all the details, and you can go ahead and track the details of the status. Come here, click on send money, and then you can review and track the transfer. Okay, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.